The global leader in career training, the Odin School announces multiple education initiatives in data science. The Odin School, a part of Grey Campus, announces the launch of their educational initiative to bridge the gap of skilled data science professionals in India. Focused on developing effective training solutions, Odin School launches 3 new opportunities, namely scholarships for women in tech, a free-for-all academy, and university partnerships, all aimed at helping people build their career in data science. The Academy is a free and exclusive platform for data science. It unites aspirants, professionals, and industry veterans who seek knowledge opportunities and collaboration in the domain of data science. Odin School's boot camps come with career services that includes workshops on workplace, behavioral skills, live engagement with weekend classes, and complete placement assistance. Odin School has also placed several aspirants in reputed data-driven organizations in India.
I'm Vijay Pasupuleti. I'm the CEO at Odin School. So Odin School is an online upskilling school helping students and working professionals upskill in data science or ensure also they get better careers. So that's the focus. We offer 6-month boot camps through which they not only get the skills but they also get placed in better careers. So we are making 3 announcements today. The first announcement is we are launching Data Science Academy. This is an open learning online platform where people who are seeking knowledge or career upgrades in data science can freely come. We are offering courses, we are offering access to industry experts, we are offering forums where questions can be answered. The second announcement is Women in Tech scholarships. 1 crore worth scholarships we are given to aspiring women who are looking to make a better career in data science. We believe cutting-edge technology space needs more women. Thirdly, we are launching a platform for colleges by the name Unicorn, University Industry Connect. As part of this platform, colleges will get access to faculty development programs for their faculty, which we will conduct by sharing industry best practices and teaching best practices for data science. In addition to this, college students will get a lot of resources in data science, and this will also be absolutely free of charge to our partnering colleges. So all these efforts are towards building a much more vibrant, strong, robust talent ecosystem in India. What we believe makes us different is we work very, very closely with the industry, and our curriculum is updated every month. So we kept completely updated. That is required for cutting-edge technologies like data science. We also have a program. It's very hands-on in nature. It is run only on weekends. This is designed for working professionals who can comfortably come and participate. And at the end of 6 months, not only are they fully skilled, but they're productive from day one. And this is a great source for industry to hire data science professionals from, which we know the industry finds it very tough to hire these kind of resources. Fully productive resources are available with us.